Good morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good and fine. So today students, today you know what we will discuss? Today we will discuss about the parts of the earth, land and water, and we learn about the continents and oceans with the help of related animations. Now we will recall the concept given in the checkpoint 1 of the course book. Page number 8, checkpoint 1. Circle the correct option. Now student, I will read the question. A. The shape of the earth is sphere or square. B. The earth looks like an apple or orange. C. The earth is flat at the top and at the bottom or middle. Let's discuss the answer. A. The shape of the earth is sphere or square? Students, can you tell me? Yes, sphere. So the shape of the earth is sphere. B. The earth looks like an apple or orange? Can you tell me the answer, students? Yes, orange. The earth looks like an orange. C. The earth is flat at the top and at the bottom or middle. Can you tell me the student answer? Yes, bottom. The earth is flat at the top and at the bottom. Students, we will discuss the topic globe and we will learn about continents and oceans. Students, this is a picture of globe. What is globe? I will explain you the definition of globe. A globe as a model of the earth. We can rotate it on its axis to locate different places. Now I am going to teach you about globe. Students, look at this picture. This is a globe. As you can see, the different colors code are used to highlight different area on the globe. Student, list the different color from the globe. As you can see, blue color, pink color, yellow color, green color, brown color. So, what is the blue part represent, students? The blue part in the globe represent oceans and the green part represent continent. So, students, now we will count the number of the continents of the globe. Okay, let's discuss. We have 7 continents. Students, do you know what continents are? Let's discuss. Continents are large land area divided into many countries. So students, can you say how many continents are there? There are 7 continents. The 7 continents are North America, Antarctica, South America, Asia, Africa, Europe and Australia. Students, now let's arrange the name of the continent in increasing order of size. First, Asia is the largest continent. Second, Africa. Third, North America. Fourth, South America. 5, Antarctica. 6, Europe. And last, Australia is the smallest continent. So students, Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. To course book, page number 10. So we will recall what we have learned today. So students, this is a picture of globe. Now I will explain you the definition of globe. A globe is a model of the earth. We can rotate it on its axis to locate different places. Number 8, land and water. When we look at the earth from outer space, we see some green, white and blue parts. These green, white parts are continents and the blue part are oceans. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the earth. Now students, will read the continent paragraph. Continents. Continents are large land area divided into many countries. The 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the largest continent, whereas Australia is the smallest continent. Now student, I will play animation video.
We know that the blue areas of the map are water. Everything else is land. Large bodies of land on the Earth's surface are called continents. And the Earth is divided into 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest. Each of the continents is further divided into countries.
Now students, I will ask you a few questions. Can you all answer me? Okay. 1. Which is the largest continent in the world? Can you say me, student? Yes, the Asia is the largest continent in the world. Now, second, which is the smallest continent in the world? Can you tell me, student? Yes, so Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Third, in which continent is India located? Can you tell me? Yeah, Asia. Friends, we will discuss the topic ocean. Before we start the topic ocean, we will look at the map given on the page number 9 course book. Number 9, students, this is a map. Blue part is known as ocean. We have different colors in the map. They all are continent. Students, you know what map are? Let's discuss. A map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface. It can show a part of the earth's surface in a greater details. It also easier to carry them anywhere as compared to globes. A book of map is called an atlas. Students, this is a picture of map. Students, look at the picture of this globe. Now we'll discuss the topic ocean. Look at this picture. This is a globe. As you can see, blue color, pink color, green color, brown color. So what the part represents, students? The blue parts in the globe represent ocean. These continents are surrounded by large bodies, water bodies. It's called oceans. So students, can you tell me how many number of ocean we have on this earth? Can you tell me, students? Yes, there are 5 oceans. Can you tell me the name of 5 oceans? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Now students, let's arrange the name of the ocean in increasing order of size. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Oceans. So Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Students, we will arrange the name of oceans in decreasing order in size. Arrange smaller to largest. Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. So Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean and Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Now we will recall the concept ocean from the course book page number 8. Land and water. When we look at the earth from outer space, we see some green, white and blue parts. These green, white parts are continents and the blue parts are oceans. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans on the earth. Now we'll discuss about oceans. These continents are surrounded by large water bodies called oceans. There are 5 oceans on the earth. They are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Oceans, and Arctic Oceans. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. So we end the session. We will meet tomorrow. Goodbye.